one profitable business you can start is selling used cars from China. So you can see behind me, all these cars are yet to be loaded in containers to be shipped to different countries, mostly African countries. So all these cars, they are here and ready to be loaded to our country. So if you need any car from China, all you have to do is to contact me and we'll help you get any of the cars you need. So you can see some of the cars here. Ni hao, 老板. So this is how it is done. From 这个车从哪里来的？
拉走的。
哦，拿走的。为什么？
我也不知道，老板叫我拉就拉了。
我以为是专柜子。
我是公司。
哦。
可能是拉错了。
哦。
拉错了，10号可能又乱。
Oh. Okay, so he's saying that he's taking the cars back to the factory. They sent the wrong cars to this place, so he's taking them back. So that's why he's loading them. So I was surprised he's loading the cars because I was thinking he's supposed to offload, and he said they brought different cars. So if you need anything from China, any car, we are always here to do inspection. We ensure that the right thing is done. The exact car you bought is loaded in the container to avoid any kind of storage. So if you are new here, my name is DAKS. I am the founder of DAKS Import and Export Trading. We are a registered trading company based in China. I've lived in China for over 8 good years, living and doing business here. If you need anything business related, just contact us and we will work on that for you. So you can see behind me, there are some cars which have just arrived. These are not mine, but you can see all this area, this is where we load the car. And by my right hand side, I don't know if you can see the cranes. This is Nansha port, one of the largest ports in China. So that is it. I want to show you these cars. Let me show you this one. So you can see all these cars for customers, other people who are coming to offload and load them here. These are not my cars. So you can see, if you want to start one profitable business, that is car business, used cars, new cars, you know, there's no poor person who is owning a car. If you are trying to start business from China, sell to the rich. It's only people who have money who buy a car. Anything of car is very profitable. Apart from entering into car importation, we have car spare parts. Every day people need accessories of cars. Every day people need accessories of cars. So anything of car will sell very well. Apart from accessories of car, spare parts, you can think of oil. Every week, let's say within a month, a car owner should service his car at least in a month. And we need oil. So these kind of oils are also very profitable. Car perfumes, anything of car perfume, you know, sell to the rich. Car perfume is also one of the nice business you can start from China. You import them very affordable from China. If you ship them by sea, you will make more profit. Even by air, you still make profit because most of them, they are not that heavy. The only problem is if you want to import the liquid type, for example, is it Ikada? It's one of the most trending car perfume brand as of now. And if it's liquid, it will be very hard to ship by air. Apart from that, car perfume is one of the lucrative businesses you can start. So anything of car, if I've not mentioned anything of car, just comment in the comment section and let's know the kind of car business that you can do and make huge profit. Apart from these SUVs, you can also buy commercial cars like trucks as well. You can buy dump trucks for construction works. You know, anything of car is very profitable. You don't have to worry, just contact us and we'll do all the work on grants for you. The days of getting a visa traveling to China is over. You have me here, why are you worried? Just contact us. Don't go and work with somebody who doesn't have a company in China. People who have company, payment is through company transaction, not private account, and we'll do the right work for you. So let's finish with loading our container. The last car being loaded.
Anh thôi.
What's your price? Crazy. Oh, you are loading the bags too?
Yeah.
Cool, that's smart.